The size of the circuit for a pull circuit pre-wire depends on several factors, including the power requirements of the pull equipment and the location of the equipment. Most pull pumps require a dedicated 20 amp or 30 amp circuit. Additional equipment such as a heater, filter and lights may also require their own dedicated circuits. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, offers specific guidelines for pull circuit installations. NEC Section 680.13b states that branch circuits supplying pull equipment shall be sized in accordance with the nameplate rating of the connected equipment. NEC Section 680.13c says that branch circuits supplying pull pumps shall be provided with a rating of not less than 20 amps. Based on these guidelines and the fact that a pull pump typically requires a dedicated 20 amp circuit, the recommended circuit size for a pull circuit pre-wire is 20 amps. Consider the distance to the power panel, as the distance between the pull equipment and the electrical panel will determine the wire gauge required to prevent voltage drop. The type of conduit or cable used will also affect the circuit size. If the homeowner plans to add additional pull equipment in the future, it may be wise to pre-wire for a larger circuit, such as a 30 amp circuit. It is always recommended to consult with a qualified electrician to determine the specific circuit size required based on the exact pull equipment and installation conditions.